Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. How are you? I have a very big announcement to make on 11th July. 11th July 2023. How are you guys? Where is everyone? How is your day going? Still waiting for people to come. I have a lot of announcements to make. There is one person watching currently. I don't know who the person is, but thank you so much for joining my live. I'm still waiting for another person to come. Still waiting for another person to come. Yo, guys, so cold. Pardon me, let me put my jacket on. Let me put my jacket on. Okay, guys, hey, okay, guys, the name announcement I'm going to in the bange, and then, yeah, let me cover myself. Okay, guys, everything as everything was supposed to be, everything will be the same. Ndine mavideo angapo okhuza ndi ma app okuti ndipange ndikuonetseni ma app osiyanasiyana ma app abwino amene azipangisa kuti ngati mmakonda kumvera nkhani like imene ndimafotokozera nkhani pa YouTube okuti nthawi zina mukhoza kumangomvera nkhani imene ili yosafuna kuona ma pictures kuti akuyenda motani. It will be help for you. Mukhoza kumamvera YouTube, mukhoza kumamvera maprogram onse kandi nyimbo mavideo nyimbo china chilichonse mukhoza kumamvera foni yanu ili mthumba upanda kusokonezedwa kwina kulikonse. Komanso ndi ma app abwino kwambiri amene athandize kuti foni yanu muzigwiritsa ntchito mosangalala kwambiri mokusangalala. So I'm here watching for what is gonna be. Thank you so much. Okay, I want to bring you a video like ine ndinapanga ikhuza ndi ma software maujeni ma settings za WhatsApp ija. I want to bring a certain video similar to that one, but I'll be explaining more application like my apps amene phone yanu muzigwiritsa ntchito. So ndikamapanga ndizigwiritsa ntchito phone ya Android. I don't think kuti anthu okay, kafukufuku amene napanga pa YouTube anthu ochuluka kwambiri amagwiritsa ntchito phone ya Android. The rest amagwiritsa ntchito computer ochepesa kwambiri amene amagwiritsa ntchito ma iPhone. So I will just get a chance how many magazines to my Android phone. I yeah, they want a video. I think this weekend. It will be this weekend. Many before the question Apple Siana and many other get a phone and no make this and chido. Is it could be better? Phone no make this and chido. Is it carbon no one be? So my take videos in Asia, like many my bangers out and the WhatsApp is was some I did a good one be the Mazuzi. Comano, yeah, I didn't need to help you. Yeah, you need to help. Most of us have probably my settings this year and send up as in the Monga Jide. Most of can you and the privacy. And another have kind of and the go chita my WhatsApp already. We did a fix my WhatsApp already. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. So however this time we'll be able to communicate from yeah, we'll be able to communicate like you can know what's happening for the minute of Malawi and for the minute of South Africa because of Magriza WhatsApp was like I don't know kazi wanu ka mwana wanu ka mamuna wanu ali Malawi ka South Africa mukhoza kumakwanisa kumagwiritsa ntchito WhatsApp imozi. So this will be epic. Kwantha amene mafuna just for security issues and like for privacy issues, but it will be only for education purpose. Komanso phatikiza apopo, I would like to teach you on how you can hack somebody's phone to know exactly where they are. Like, okay, I'm at work, yeah, whosoever, so I can take your phone and know exactly where you are on a certain time, on any time and any time. So yeah, so I can settings up in Wambidi and I believe you will love them. I don't think you're going to regret for this. So this weekend I'm dropping a video. I've finalized everything and everything will be just fine and sound. Yeah, so Bwanji mutakhala kuti muzakhala oyamba watching you in Kakamas. Thank you so much. So bwanji muzakhala oyamba kugwirisana ku ntchito ma settings komanso ma app amenewa. The only way to do that is just like muzachita check Saturday. I will tell you when. But muzachita check. I think Saturday, if not Saturday, Sunday, somewhere these 2 days, between these days, and I'm gonna give you those settings and the apps. I think there are going to be 2 videos. Yeah, I think there are going to be 2 videos or 1 video. I don't know. I don't know whether to combine them or to make 2 separate videos, but I will see. Hey guys, so ndikupanda kubasina maabu abu inawambira minazi kutandiza nikuti fana no muzigwisa ntchito buno kwambiri and maabu onsewo akhala ali legit sakhala kuti ongokutaisa nthawi kapena kuti mwakuti no and kwa amene simafuna zokhudza ndi ma YouTube classes and whatsoever. I think I'm arranging them. The problem is that sometimes I don't have enough time to make videos, but I would try to do so. I would try to do so. Yeah, guys. Okay, let me show you the comments. This guy, and then we had this comment. And then we had this comment. So, if you would like your comment to be viewed, just comment. Just comment. Lunch yanu ikwenda bwanji. Lunch yanu ikwenda bwanji. Moyo kwenda bwanji kumeneko. Nanga muri kuti. Kuzizira. Kwakupeza ni muri kuti. Johannesburg. Durban, Cape Town, or else muri kubanta ya Lilongwe kapena kunzuzu. This is Avita. Oh yeah, about my hair. I want to make a certain video about my hair, so I'm not going to cut my hair anytime soon. And my J's, I want them to be like this big. Yeah, I would like to make a video about this, so everything will be. And everything, my sound is not good though. The sound is not fine though. Which sound? Do I sound so what? Okay, the sound, I'm using my earphone, so let me just take it off. So use the phone.
Yeah, now I'm using phone, so I hope my sound is getting better. Okay, yes. So kuzizira kwakupeza namuli kuti guys, and yeah, I think kuzizira kumacholoka. So mongokupemphani guys, I'm on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Thread. Yeah, as well as on Snapchat. You can find me there as well. Yeah, so I hope we had a nice time, and thank you for 22,500 subscribers. I mean, mojita no contribute. Maso patikiza popo, I still need maganizo ano on how I can improve my videos. Yeah, I know my videos are great, but not that great. I think the video, when we talk about the storylines, I don't think there's anything wrong with my storylines. Yeah, so where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Okay, so okay, I hope everyone guys is good, and it's time for me to end the live now. But before I end live, I have to do something. I have to give you something. Yeah. I have to give you something before I go.
Makala zofuta kukonzeka ulendo umene sukudziwa kutalika kwake. Mukayamba ulendo musana konzekele ulendo otele umathera panjira. Ife tazionapo okwatirana ena amango yamba banja asana konzeke. Zosatirapo zake mabanja kupasuka akumasiya ana alipazuwa. Kuyamba ulendo wa utali. Ulendo enda usana ndi usiku. Ngakhale ndima utachuluka. Panthawi ya mavuto siudza ndithawa kodi. Ine ndikulumbira. Ngakhale tidzagwe tidzapitiliza ulendo.
Okay, guys, it was nice being with you. I will give you this.
Jala ndindani zakala waenda kufuna chakuja usunga kale moyo ndichakuja chimodzi zatawila kusalima ndiziza jampunga usunga kale moyo ndichakuja chimodzi.
Tijeza Sontawina, guys. It was nice having you. So I appreciate so much. It's time for me to go out. It's time for me to sign out. So yeah, it was nice, guys. Until remember weekend tikuchita zinthu tikuchita drop video yokhuza ndi ma settings okhuza ndi WhatsApp, kuchita communicate kuchita connect mafoni awiri kapena atatu or 4 umene pa phone, so including kuti phone ina itakhala kuti ili ku Malawi, so we're gonna do that, and ma app settings amene akhonzana kukhala uthandiza kwambiri. Yeah, kumaso kwa mene mafuna so kukhala ndi YouTube channel aja. I think maybe I will see what to do, but I will try to find a chance. I will try to find time. Yeah, I will try to find time, guys. Okay, fine, sharp. Bye. In the countdown of 30 seconds, I will be signing out. Bye.